In this video I'm going to show you how to make egg white pancakes. Hey guys, my nickname is CzechFlash and this channel is dedicated to make healthy food taste incredible. On this channel you will find Latin up comfort food, dinner meal ideas and mind-blowing sweets. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Rumor has it, for every new subscriber, baby Pikachu is born. All you need for these pancakes is 4 egg whites, half of banana, half cup of oats and half teaspoon of baking soda. So all we need to do is blend all the ingredients together. Now half of banana and half teaspoon of baking soda. Hey, at any point in this video check out the link below for my playlist with other pancakes. You can add some cinnamon or vanilla extract just to get some flavor. I'm going to leave it plain. Now I'm going to mix it all together. And now I'm going to finish the pancakes. I managed to make 4 small pancakes. It's done and delicious. Question of the day: what is your favorite type of pancake? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in section below you will find all the instruction ingredients how to make these pancakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below. Until the next time, have a great day.